Hey guys, this is Developer Dude, and this is an amazing Amazon clone which I have created, and it's working properly. I used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in it. So if you want to learn that how I created this Amazon clone, just follow along the video series. Just click on this back to top, and clicking on it, it's working properly. So if you guys want to create an Amazon clone like this, just follow me. How I write this code, everything is working. It's such a nice website which I have created. This is just a project. So in this video we are going to create a header of the site. Let's get started.
So I have created two files here, index.html, style.css, and the file is here. This is our project. I don't know how this is here. This is our project which we are going to create. So let's get started. Write the code there.
Now create a header and create a div with class name first and a href. Logo. Use the logo here, Ctrl C. And now create another div. Okay. Create another div with name map and also a class with flex. Now add a font awesome icon here, class map marker. Okay, then create another div, create a span, deliver to, and another span for India. Okay, now control save, control R for refresh, and here it is. Icon is not here because we didn't edit font awesome CDN, so just copy and paste it. I will give you the link in the description from where you can copy and paste the link. Okay, so now it's linked here. Control R. Here's the marker. Okay, now create a div with class name flex and another class input, and now create another div there. Write span tag, write all in it. Okay, now create another icon. Create another icon, class, give it a class. Okay, now create input tag. Now again an icon, class. Okay, control save, control R. So here it is. So we have write HTML code for all things. Now we are going to write HTML code for this and create div with name class flex and another class right. Create div with flex again and add class language, add image. I will give you the link in the description, so don't worry. Okay, just copy and paste, Control V, and add an icon with class name. Okay, now create another div with class name sign because we are going to sign in. So this is our sign in section. Create a span. I will show you a span and write there hello sign in. Okay, and now after the hello sign in, create another div with class name flex. Give it a class AC and in it create another span and write there account and lists. Account and list. Okay. After writing accounts and list, create an icon as usual. Just give a class name. Okay. And now we have created this. After this, create another div with flags. This div is for cart. So class name is cart here, and an icon. Class is shopping cart. Okay. Now create another span tag here, span, and give it a class name CA class. Write cart in it, cart. Okay. Now create a p tag and write there 0. Okay. Control save. The mistake which I have made, then div another div. Create here a div with class name flags, and this is for logo. So add your class logo, and just Control X and write it here. Enter. Oh, what's happening with it? Just after this, Control V, and this one div, which is of this class first, just crop it, means cut it and paste it here. Wait. Control V. Okay. Control save. Shift Alt F for proper code. Okay. Now this for class first class div is ending here. Okay. Let's just check it out here. Control R, and here is the flag and everything. So this is just HTML, and now we are going to design it, and let's design it first. Link this. Come on, link it here. Link the CSS file. So it's style.css, and right here, right, Amazon.com. Control save. Control R. Now we are going to design it. So just back to the CSS. Some universal code of CSS. Margin 0. Padding 0. Text decoration none. And box size in border box. List style none. Okay. Now focus on body. Width 100%. Background color. Okay. And box size in border box. Now focusing on first class dot first, and width 100%. Height 70 pixels. Background color 131A22. Okay. And display flags. Align item center. And flag styles and column. Control save. Control R. So here's our first class. Now I'm forgetting the image. Width 130 pixel. Margin left. Margin 0, 10 pixels. Padding 5 pixel and 10 pixel. Border 1 pixel solid transparent. Okay. And border radius 3 pixel. Border radius 3 pixel. Control save. Control R. So here it is, the logo. And in the next part of the video, we will write CSS code and design the header perfectly. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed.